There you go. Getting the engine ready to get dropped in to here. There's a lot of stuff in the way I gotta move. But I need to get the flywheel and the clutch put on. So that's what I'm doing now. I didn't really have, I don't have a tire to put this on, but I also didn't want it to get all scratched up because everything is freshly painted, including the oil pan. But this is what I got right now. I think it'll work. And the lightweight flywheel, you can just stick something in here, grab onto one of these, and torque it. So it should be 87 foot-pounds, if I remember correctly. Yep, 87 foot-pounds with a little bit of red Loctite. And then these little guys, the 10 mils, those are 19 foot-pounds. So super easy to do. I just finished rebuilding the transmission. So got some new ITB up in there. But I had to do the synchros because the synchros were going bad, especially third gear was super bad. Didn't matter what gear or what RPM you were trying to shift in to third, but it would always grind. So, but yep, this engine's off of the stand or the cherry picker. This is all freshly painted. This guy got rewrapped, a new vent right there. So I know the inside looks disgusting, but obviously no one's gonna see that. So, except for you guys watching this video. But got the competition clutch. I think this is a stage 2 clutch. I don't remember. I think it is though. But that's gonna go on here in a second. All the bolts for it are right there. Just need to get my dang fingerprints and whatever else off this flywheel. And then I'll be able to meet both of these together. And this weekend, motor mount should be in and the whole thing will just drop right in. Gotta give the bolts a quick little hit real quick. Thankfully that part's done. That's a pain. I hate doing that. Plop. Got those torqued down to 19 foot-pounds, so now I can figure out how I'm going to get this to stay in one spot and put the trims on without scratching anything. That'll be the real challenge there. So I just got the engine lowered onto this block with some rags under it so it didn't scratch the paint. I'm going to try and get this transmission on. It's just me, so hopefully everything goes well. I'm not trying to have this thing drop right before it's done, you know what I'm saying? That's what it'll look like all put together. Pretty freaking excited. Didn't think this day would come as soon as it is. That looks really good. Can't complain. So once I get the motor mounts in the mail for this thing, then I'll be dropping it in there. In the meantime, I got some stuff to clean up. Probably add the mount that goes here and the mount that goes there. And that should be it. It'll be ready to drop in. So I'm super excited.